The Blue Ridge Parkway is a scenic byway that stretches 469 miles from the Shenandoah National Park in the north to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park in the south, through the Appalachian Mountains. The parkway winds through beautiful scenery, and its lazy, sweeping turns sing you a gentle two-wheeled lullaby. "26 tunnels dot the length of the parkway. Their natural stone arch entries and exits, combined with rough-hewn interiors, recall vintage motoring of yesteryear. I couldn't help but get excited by each tunnel we rode through. A trip to Appalachia isn't complete without a little off-road fun, and sometimes the best shortcut between interesting sections of the Blue Ridge Parkway is over unpaved mountain passes. All of that off-road riding makes you work up an appetite. The Switzerland Cafe in Little Switzerland, North Carolina is the perfect lunch stop. A highlight of the day was a 6,684-foot ride up Mount Mitchell, the highest peak in the eastern United States. When I say that the view from the top is breathtaking, I mean it. I was completely out of breath after the short hike to the observation deck.